Tell me honestly, like how many times are you running behind your child and saying, Beta, just have it once, please. We have all been there. But what if I told you that some of the things we generally do it with our love, affection, that actually kills our child hunger? Yes, so in today's video, I'll be sharing 7 common mistakes that parents make unknowingly, which reduces the child appetite. So what exactly is the problem, which I want to know? Like most of the parents worry much about the nutrition, so that the meal time turns into the battle. We generally try to make them eat healthy, but rather enjoying the food, they start avoiding it. So I have seen so many moms and dads, they generally usually say to each others in the family communities that my child doesn't feel hungry most of the time. I don't know why, what to do and where to go to eat healthy and more frequent. It's not your fault actually. We are just doing our best. But the thing is, like, it's only the habits that generally make a difference in the appetite of the child. So let's go ahead and wrap up, and let's discuss more about the 7 common mistakes what generally all the parenthood usually faces out, which I have seen in most of the research and which I have done, and most of the communities which I have followed, and I have found out certain 7 common mistakes that can help you out. The 7 common mistakes which you should definitely avoid to make your child make your appetite more better and day by day. So the common first mistake is like forcing your child to eat. When we keep on insisting our child to eat, please eat and finish the plate, eat now and finish the plate, kids feel a lot of pressure. Why I have to eat the complete plate and why should I do it? So they are completely stressed out that time. Instead, you just give a small portion of the plate and let them ask them more, like, yes, I really liked it, just give me more. Hunger grows the freedom, not the force. The second mistake, which I believe, is like snacking all the day. Those little biscuits, chips, juices, which is basically the sugary drinks between the meal time, usually kills the hunger. I may request you to create 2-3 meal times and a light snack break for the kids. Basically resets the appetite. The third mistake, what we are doing, like we are serving them the same food again and again. Kids generally get bored. They feel like frequently I'm getting the same stuff, same food, which I'm not interested, and I usually look for the other plate. Try the new textures and the colors in the plate, like paratha rolls, small idlis, fruit chaat. Keep it a fun and more exciting for the child. Fourth mistake, which I believe is like during the meal time we are using lot of screens. We feel that our child is quite busy in the screen, and let him or her eat the complete plate. But that's how the biggest mistake what we are doing. So phones and TV usually distract the brain sensing organs, which is related to the hunger. So make the meal time generally the screen free. It's basically talk at that time, connect and tell them little story instead, and make them more engaged with your talks. That's the whole idea if you are switching your child from the phone and TV drastically while the meal time. They generally don't like it actually. Fifth mistake is overloading with the milk or the formula milk. Milk is healthy, no doubt about it. But if you are filling your child's tummy frequently with the milk, they don't feel like eating any solid foods. 1 or 2 servings a day is quite enough for the milk, which you should involve in your structured meal time. And after certain duration, just give certain solids and semi-solids on daily basis. Certain different alternatives you should involve in their meal plan. The 6th common mistake what we generally do is comparing our kid with the other's kid. So what we generally say, like, look, you have not eaten this healthy food, so look at your friend, he eats so well. So this basically creates a stress in the child's mind rather than about how we can fulfill this. So every child has his own appetite. Shifting your child from smaller portion to bigger portions, that will definitely progresses. So this progress quite often. Every parent like, and this helps in their meal time. Last common mistake what we generally do, not making the meal time with the family time. What we think generally, like we want to make our child eat first, Once your child eat first, you are settled and you feel like I'm tension-free now, I can eat soundly. But that's how the mistake you are making out. Make a habit like your kid should eat the food along with yourself. So what the kids generally do, they usually copy the same quite often. So I may request to sit together, at least start with the 5 minutes or 10 minutes and gradually increase it to 30 minutes. Along with your child, that will make a more difference and the child will start enjoying the food. So as I have promised you that I'll be sharing one bonus tip to you, which will definitely help you in your meal time. So here it is. Thank you so much for listening as of now. So the bonus tip here I'll be sharing, stop calling the meal every time healthy. Please, please, please stop using these jargons. Yes, you heard it right. So when we say the kids eat this food, it's very healthy, it will help you. The child usually gets bored that mama usually asks them to have this food because it's healthy, but they don't know what exactly healthy means, how it is going to help their body. Instead, say to them, this food will make you run faster. This food will jump you higher. Turn health into the fun. You will see the curiosity and appetite returns, because if child will be curious next time that how this food is going to help them, whether it increases the height or how they are going to jump quite well in their daily routine, in their PTs or in school activities. So definitely use these kind of jargons rather using the healthy. So when you apply small these changes in your kids meal plan, so how this is going to benefit, when you see this small mindset changes in yourself and in your child's mind, child will start eating food happily rather forcefully. You will start seeing that there's a drastic change in the pattern of the child's appetite. They will create a healthy relationship with the food for life. Hello, I'm Neha Saxena, a health blogger and child wellness coach. Through Health Healthy Me, I help millennial parents with the practical home remedies and parenting tips that will help to raise the child's healthy, happy and confident kids naturally. So if you find this video quite helpful for you, do give a like button and do save this video and share with all your friends and the parents who are struggling with the meal times. Do subscribe my channel, It's Healthy, more simple health and parenting insights, and also do comment below like which mistake do you relate the most, because that will give me a fair idea and feedback to give you more these kind of videos, and that will help in your daily routine. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a good day.